Hi, my name is Jeff Probst. I'm the owner of AAA Appliance. We've been in business for over 40 years this year. We're celebrating our 40th anniversary. We have two locations to best serve you, one in St. Louis and one in St. Charles County. We are licensed and insured also to assist in installation of any appliance, no matter where you may buy it. Licensed electricians, plumbers, HVAC, and appliance technicians to meet all your needs. We are an authorized servicer for KitchenAid, Whirlpool, Maytag, Amana, Jenn-Air, Fisher-Paykel. This year we had over 18,000 repeat customers. We take pride in our family. We have up to 7 family members that work here. We dedicate ourselves to putting our customers first. And this is our 3rd year in a row of being voted best servicer in the county. And we just take pride in our service, and we want to take this opportunity to thank you, our customers, for allowing us to serve you in your home.